Hello, Matt Sheehan here of WebMap Solutions. I wanted to talk today about the 911 system when you make an emergency call. Let's just give a little tiny bit of background. The 911 system currently was actually designed for landlines, so people making a call from a phone that was actually connected by a wire. 80% of calls today are made with smartphones or cell phones. The system wasn't really designed for cell phones, and there has appeared quite a major problem within the 911 system. That is actually locating the person that is making the cell phone call. So how does the 911 system work? In its simplest form, when you make a 911 call, a responder picks up the phone to answer that. When that call comes in, an actual message is sent to the carrier of your network to ask, where is this person? Now that response can take between 30 seconds and actually sometimes minutes to come back, and that location information is wildly varying in accuracy. It could be 5% accurate, it can be 95% accurate, and anything in between. That's a huge problem. That delay and the fact that the location data coming back can be varying degrees of accuracy, and in some cases doesn't come back at all, we started to look at as a company. Now we're a map-based company that uses GIS and maps to solve problems, and this we thought was a classic GIS mapping problem. So we designed what we think is quite a compelling solution. Let me just share with you the workflow. So a user would download a free app from the App Store. That would be the Android or the Apple App Store. That would sit on their phone. When they need to make a 911 call, they simply hit that app on their phone. The app itself actually automatically makes a 911 call, and whilst that call is going on, it actually streams data into a back-end system. Now that back-end system is actually collecting not only the location information from the phone, from the GPS of the phone, but also the number that's making the call. Now a responder can actually log into this system and they can see a map. Now when they type in via an address search or by a number search, that number that's coming into them, they can actually then see in real time where that person is on the map. There's a blue dot placed on the map. If that person moves, well, the data is streaming in real time, so the actual dot on the map will move. So we think that type of a relatively simple system will help to enable responders to send emergency services to the right location, and that would be 100% of the time if everyone implemented that type of a system. And we hear, why is 911 not like Uber or Google Maps? Well, this is actually a way that 911 systems could be as accurate in tracking a person's location as those type of systems. So I encourage you, I'm going to include a link at the bottom of this video so you can read a little bit more about this solution, but I encourage you to come back to us and give us your thoughts on this and any feedback. Thanks for watching.